Hi everybody and welcome back to the channel. And as everybody knows this evening, crypto is in an absolute free fall. As we can see, Bitcoin there's down 5% earlier. It was a lot lower. I think it was about 10. Hit the £76,000 range, which I think that'll be 70,000 in dollars. ETH down 18%, XRP 21%. That was down at 30% earlier. We hit 158 Great British pounds. I think that's about 140 in dollars. But if you look at everything else, Doge down 21, Adira 24, HBAR 21. I think that was at 25 earlier. Shiba 22. Everything is in absolute free fall. Now, a lot of people are wondering why. A lot of people are saying it's because of Trump's tariffs, this, that, and the other. Well, there's one thing I've always said in this channel, which not a lot of people always pay attention to, but I'm 99% sure it's the S&P 500. Let me explain. So on this top chart here, we've got the XRP chart, and on the bottom, we've got the S&P 500. Now this chart on the top, this could be Bitcoin, ETH, doesn't really matter, because as we all know, if we look at the Bitcoin chart, boom, 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 boom. Look at the ETH chart, exactly the same, boom, 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 boom. XRP chart, boom, 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 boom. They just follow each other like patterns. Not a lot of people realize Bitcoin follows the S&P 500. So if we look at this here at the bottom, let me just splay this up a little bit. If we roll back to 15th of November, well, actually a little bit earlier, the 4th of November, this is when the S&P 500 went flying up. A lot of people sold off, but they've got a lot of extra money to invest in other places like crypto. And then as you can see, crypto absolutely took a huge run. The S&P 500 stopped. We had a sell-off in the S&P 500. Same thing happened with crypto. We had another little buy in here and another one there. Then we had this huge sell-off. Crypto continued to sell off. There was this little bump up here, but it continued to drop off in the crypto world or Bitcoin. And then we had another buy back in here with the S&P 500. People in the S&P 500 sold off. You see the pattern? Now, what's happened at the moment is the S&P 500 on the 23rd of January, we peaked, we had a sell-off, and then we hit Friday going into the weekend. Now, the S&P 500 does not trade on the weekend. A lot of people don't realize this in crypto. Crypto just trades 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, but the S&P 500 doesn't. So my prediction now with crypto is everybody's selling off, panicking, but there'll be a lot of Wall Street guys, S&P 500 investors who will be pulling the money out of the crypto now. So Monday morning they can go and pump up the S&P 500 and buy some more shares and stocks and whatever they're buying, Apple, Nvidia, Tesla, whatever. That's what's going to be purchased Monday morning here. That's where we're getting this big drop off here. So I expect, this is my prediction, the S&P 500 to continue on a rise Monday, and then the crypto world will come flying straight back afterwards. Because if you go back in time, that's exactly what happens. The S&P 500 crashes, crypto crashes. The S&P 500 rises, crypto rises. It's a common pattern. Please, guys, if you invest in money into this world, into this crypto world, watch what the S&P 500 is doing, and you can't go wrong. All those new guys on the channel who've been messaging me, what should I do? What should I do? Look, it is always a gamble, but if you follow old trends and the S&P 500, you can't go wrong. There's nothing new here in the crypto world. This is just your standard roller coaster ride. There's nothing new. I've been investing into this since 2020. You know, 99% into XRP as well, by the way. I'm an XRP maxi. The XRP community will know all about this. Seeing 60% rises, 60% drops. This happens. It happens. So buckle in. Wait for the S&P 500 on Monday. S&P 500, it could drop a bit more, but it will come back. Crypto will follow. Do not worry. Thanks for watching the video, guys. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and see you for the next video. Goodbye.